Then I come here and I see hijabis, niqabis. We got on the plane, and the sisters got on the plane with us with niqabs and abayat al-ras, up to it from the head. And then as soon as we took off, the sisters, mashallah, they said, line up in the bathroom. And I'm like, Allahu Akbar, they're going to make wudu and pray 2 rak'ah for traveling, walillahi alhamd. But they came back with mini skirts. As though Allah only is on the land. And as soon as they leave, Allah is no longer with them. So for us here, Islam is something that we want, we desire, we're passionate about it. But for them, it's a cultural thing. They took Islam for granted. In the Quran, Allah mentioned 17 women in the Quran. 17 of them. 3 of them from the people of Jahannam. 14 from the people of Jannah.